The upper house of the Indian Parliament adjourned for the fifth time on Monday due to incessant protest against the suspension of 8 opposition lawmakers over the ruckus a day earlier. The Rajya Sabha saw unprecedented ruckus over agriculture bills on Sunday amid unruly and aggressive protests by opposition members. A day after the upper house of the Indian Parliament saw unprecedented ruckus over agriculture bills, Rajya Sabha Chairman Venkaiah Naidu on Monday suspended 8 lawmakers for unruly behaviour in the House. He stressed that opposition members must introspect as their conduct brought disrepute to Parliament. On Sunday, some opposition lawmakers raised slogans, tore documents and tried to grab the Speaker's microphone in Rajya Sabha before 2 controversial bills were passed by a voice vote. India's parliament on Sunday passed 2 farm bills the government says will make it easier for farmers to sell their produce directly to big buyers, despite growing protests from opposition parties. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday said the proposed farming laws are historic and necessary for the country to move forward, while he also took a dig at the opposition for instigating farmers with lies.
नए कृषि सुधारों ने देश के हर किसान को ये आजादी दी है कि वो किसी को भी कहीं पर भी अपनी फसल, अपने फल सब्जियां अपनी शर्तों पर बेच सकता है। अब उसे अपने क्षेत्र की मंडी के अलावा भी कई और विकल्प मिल गए हैं।
Meanwhile, farmers and political parties in India took to the streets on Monday against the farm bills, which they call is anti-farmer. According to opposition parties, farmers' bargaining power will be diminished by allowing retailers to have tighter control over them.